we will display the net amount in total summary. The net amount should appear between the subtotals and tax amount and should be the sum of all totals except the tax amount. Now let us begin with creating our module first. Register your module by creating the registration.php. Run setup upgrade command. To display the net amount in total, we will have to create its component first. Create view folder, frontend, web, and then JS folder under web directory. Create view and then checkout folders. Create summary folder. We will place our component inside these folders because we want to keep our code structure clean and easy to follow. Create the net amount JS component. Now define the component. We will use the abstract total component as a parent. Let us take a look from where we can get the abstract component. Just scroll down to the checkout module from Magento core and look for the component. Proceed to view, JS, view, summary, and then abstract total JS. We will use this component as a parent of the net amount component. Extend the component. Go ahead and create a component template. From web directory, create template folder. Create checkout and summary directories. Now create the net amount template file. Scroll down to the Magento checkout module. Go to the view, frontend, web, template, summary directory. Open the grand total template and copy its content. Switch back to the net amount template file and paste the copied contents. Remove the parent strong element and only use the span element. Remove the loop. We have everything to render inside our template file. Now open the net amount component and specify the template. Create the force object array and specify the net amount rendering template inside it. Then the checkout directory, summary followed by the checkout directory. Specify the net amount template. Create is displayed function. It should return true or false based on the allowed or configured full mode from configurations. Create get value function. The net amount will be calculated through this function. Create the price variable and set it to 0. Format the price using getFormatedPrice function. Return the formatted price. For now, we will return the price as is without any calculations. Scroll down to the checkout module. Move to the front end layout directory. Open checkout cart index layout. Scroll down and look for the totals block. As we can see, the total container. The total container contains the block with the name checkout.cart.totals. Copy the block name. Now scroll back to our main module. To display the net amount totals, create the layout directory under the front-end folder. Now create checkout underscore cart underscore index layout XML file. Switch to the Magento cart checkout layout. Copy the JS layout name. The XSI type is gonna be an array. Switch to the Magento cart layout and copy the components node. Copy the block totals. Paste the copied node. Copy children node. This time copy the whole subtotal node. Rename the subtotal node to net amount. Replace the subtotal component with the net amount component. Change the title to net amount. Replace the template file with the net amount template. Specify the sort order. Clean the cache. Reload the cart page. Net amount title is bold, which should be similar to the other totals. Open the net amount template. Replace the strong tag with the span tag. Now open the netamount.js component. This time we will add some dependencies to it. To do so, we need to scroll down to Magento checkout module first. Open web.js model. Specify the totals component as a dependency to the netamount view component. Add the condition to check for total segment. Scroll down to the Magento code for module. Open totals interface and look for appropriate total segment. Subtotal with discount looks better option. Now add this segment with the existing price. We can retrieve its value using the value property. Reload the cart page. The net amount here is still 0. So we are missing something. Maybe the segment is not loaded. So we will need something else here. Scroll down again to the Magento code module. As we can see, it also contains the totals. So we will be using this model. Add the code model. Add the totals property and call the totals function from code. If totals segment is not found, then we can use the else condition. Inside the else condition, we will specify the totals loaded from the code. Add the existing price value with this dot totals dot subtotals with discount. Reload the cart page again. This time the net amount reflected correctly as expected. Parse the totals with click proceed to checkout button. Select the shipping method and click next button. Order summary does not contain net amount here because we need to create the net amount component for the checkout page as well. Go ahead and create checkout layout. Checkout underscore index underscore index dot xml. Now scroll back to the checkout module. Then view folder layout. Here we select checkout in underscore index. Copy checkout.root block name. Refer checkout.root block. Add arguments. Switch back to the checkout layout and copy JS layout argument. Specify array as an XSI type. Copy the components node. Copy checkout node now. Copy children node. Now copy the sidebar node. Copy the children node. Now this time copy the summary node. Copy the children node now. Copy totals node. Then children node again. Create the net amount node. Create net amount component node and specify the net amount component here. Create sort order node. Create config node with the XSI type as an array. Specify the template node here, or we can use the template form component. Change the template node name to title and specify the net amount component title here. The title will appear in total summary. Make the node translatables. Reload the checkout page again. Net amount contains only cart subtotals. So we need to add shipping totals to the cart subtotals. Scroll down to the quote module again. Open API, data, and then totals interface. Use this shipping amount value, copy it. Now add condition again to look for shipping amount total segment. Add shipping amount total segment value here and specify else condition to look for the shipping amount price from quote totals. Reload the cart page again. This time the net amount is calculated as expected. Now click place order button to place the order. View the placed order. The order details does not contain the net amount here. Go ahead and create another layout. Sales underscore order underscore view dot XML. This time scroll down to the Magento sales module. view, front end, layout, and then cs underscore order underscore view.xml, and look for the totals block. The order totals are specified under order underscore totals block. Copy order underscore totals block name and refer it inside our layout. Under order totals, create a child block with the net amount class type. Name the child block as a net amount. Now create block, sales, and totals directories inside our module. Create net amount class and extend it with the template class. Create a constant with a value net amount. Scroll down to Magento text module. Then blog, then sales, order, and then text class. Copy some of the code from text class and paste it to the net amount block class. Create get store method and it should return the store information from current order. Copy methods get label properties and get value properties as well and paste them to the net amount block. Now create a new method init totals. Get the parent block. Load order model from parent block and assign to the order variable. Get source from parent and assign to the source variable. Now create an instance of data object. Specify the component code. Set strong index to false because we don't want our component title in bold format. So first get subtotal, then add discount amount to it, and add shipping amount. Add the base value, copy the content from value, rename subtotal to base subtotal, and rename discount amount to base discount amount, then rename shipping amount to base shipping amount. Add the label net amount excluding tax. Now add net amount data object to the parent add total function. Pass component code net amount as a second parameter to the add total. Call the add total before method from parent and pass net amount data object instance as a first parameter. And in second parameter specify grand total. This will display the net amount total before the grand total. Flush the cache. Reload the order view page now. Now the net amount is being displayed, but is being displayed after the tax amount. It will be great if we display our net amount before the tax amount. Change grand total to tax. Reload the page. This time, net amount is displayed as expected and before the tax amount. Similarly, we can display the net amount in invoice totals as well. Create a new layout. Sales underscore order underscore invoice.xml. Copy the order view code inside the sales order invoice XML. Change order underscore totals to invoice underscore totals in reference block and flush the cache. Reload the invoice page. Now the net amount is listed in invoice totals. Create another layout, sales underscore order underscore print.xml. Flush the cache. Click print order button. Now the net amount is also displayed in the print view totals. Copy sales order print XML and rename it to sales order print invoice XML. Copy sales order view XML and rename it to sales underscore order underscore credit memo.xml. Change order underscore totals to credit memo underscore totals in the reference block name. Flush the cache. Now reload the refunds page.